primetime news this evening. Trending up. Students record better performances in PEP this year. New guidelines for ride-sharing operators take effect. And stakeholders want heads to roll amid climbing number of mothers dying in childbirth.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. I'm Anthony Lugg. A special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
And I'm Kelisha Williams. Special welcome to those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Now, coming up later in the financial week, Chairman of the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority, Colonel Oscar Darby, has resigned.
And Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, it's ready, set, go for the MVP Track Club, Anthony. Stephen Francis, the founding coach of MVP, sounds off on his athletes' readiness for the National Championships, which of course comes up next week. And of course, the West Indies, they are in a must-win battle in tonight's match in the Super 8 at the ICC T20 World Cup.
Thanks, Jordan. And some of us got a little rain today. Ramin is also here with what's to come in the weather report. Ramin?
Thanks, Kelisha. More is expected tomorrow. We do have thunderstorm activity in the forecast for sections of eastern parishes tomorrow. And we also have some showers and thunderstorms expected across the west.
Looking forward to hear about that. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what improvements do you think need to be made to the primary exit profile PEP exams?
You can share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.